Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Samsung S22 Ultra. So I think this is the first unboxing in Pakistan. Anyways, here is the box if you're going to pre-order the S22 Ultra. So they're going to give you some things extra free. So this ain't going to be included if you're going to buy the S22 Ultra later. Since I pre-ordered it, that's why I'm getting this premium box. So opening the box, we're going to have three different things. First of all, we're going to have the leather cover for the S22 Ultra, the box of the S22 Ultra, which we're going to go in a bit, and last but not least, we're going to get Galaxy Buds Pro as well here, as you can see. So these are the three things that you're going to get if you're going to buy the S22 Ultra on pre-order. So we're not going to go into details of the other things. For now, we're just going to unbox the S22 Ultra. Here is the box of the S22 Ultra, and as you can see, the box is quite thin, which means that it's not going to include any charger, just like Apple. So you need to buy the charger separately. And here we're going to have some of its specs as well. So on the main side, it's going to have 12 GB of RAM, and it is a 256 GB variant, and the color is Phantom Black. So let's just open it. So guys, unfortunately I was using the knife the other way around and I cut my finger. Anyways, let's continue with the unboxing. So this time the knife in the right way, and you're going to have two C's from Samsung officially to show that the box is packed, and we're just going to open it. And here we're going to have some card saying device verification, so you can verify if the device is original or not. And putting that aside, here is the matte black S22 Ultra box. Let's see what's inside. So right off the bat, you're going to get the S22 Ultra. Here is the S22 Ultra, and here is the back. As you can see, we are going to get 5 cameras with the S22 Ultra, and it's the Phantom Black color. Again, you're going to have the S Pen as well, because if you don't know, in the S22 Ultra they have just combined the Note series in the S series. So now you're going to get the S Pen as well with the S22 Ultra as well. On the bottom you got your Type C charging cable. This does support fast charging with the cable and wirelessly. So you got your SIM tray, and here is the speaker grills. On the front you got your front camera as well, so looking really nice. And on the back, the 5 cameras and your LED flash. Putting the phone aside, let's see what else in the box. So first of all, you're going to get your SIM ejection tool, and here you're going to get some documentations from Samsung and a Type C to Type C cable. So again, no charger is included in the box and no hand freeze as well. This is the only thing and the phone that you're going to get. So like Apple, in Samsung you need to buy the charger separately. So I recommend that you buy the fast charger to get the full use of the phone. So peeling off the plastics, here is the back side of the S22 Ultra, looking beautiful. And here is the front plastic. So we're going to power on the device for the very first time. Okay, as the phone is charging, on the side we got our power button, our volume up and down keys, and on the other side there is no Bixby button anymore. So that's that. So let's power it on. So here is the leather cover as the phone is being set it up. Let's just open it. On the front you got it, and on the back it says leather cover, and on the bottom and on the top you got a little seal. Let's cut open the seal. Here is the leather cover for the S22 Ultra. So as you can see, it's not flexible, it's quite rigid, and not like the other leather or silicone cases that are quite flexible, so it's going to be quite shock resistant. So here is the phone. As you can see, we're not going to go into much detail as this is just an unboxing video. I will make a review video of this phone as well, just to show you the cameras of this phone. I'm just going to open the camera app right now, and here are the 3 or 5 different kind of cameras you can go. Here is the normal one, here is the 3 times, 4 times, 10 times, and of course 100 times, which ain't looking very good right here because it's really close. And here is a little subject to show you. 1x, as you can see here, we have the 3x camera, the 10x, and this is the white camera. So yeah, not that much bad. Again guys, this is an unboxing video. I will make a review video of this phone as well. Other than that guys, thank you for watching and stay safe.